10. Swimming on lane 0 is Usman of Middle College Aquatics. Swimming on lane 1 is Posidon of Manila Sea Titan Swim Club. Swimming on lane 2 is Matibal of Flash Swim Club. On lane 3 is Montes of Flash Swim Club. Swimming on lane 4 is Santiago of Louis Martin Swimming Team. Swimming on lane 5 is Tabros of DMS Humble Shark Swim Club. Swimming on lane 6 is Dorcasena of Flash Swim Club. Swimming on lane 7 is Galileo of Flash Swim Club. Swimming on lane 8 is Mantienzo of Bosay Resort Aquatic Club. And swimming on lane 9 is Pitikian of